Welcome guys, welcome to the live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So another day. Today is, as you know, that very volatile day also coming up. 3 high impact news coming, I think 4 or 5. Very extremely volatile day. I love trading this kind of days because there is a lot of volume in the market. And I believe that guys and girls, you are ready for also big day. If you're ready, if you're present, you have seen yesterday was crazy. We had a massive trades yesterday, and today also the market is almost heading in the same way. So let's begin this day as well with a big goal in mind to stay disciplined. The only thing I want from all of you guys, give a thumbs up and make sure you always do the risk management, stay disciplined, and let me know which instrument you are trading. I would appreciate your support to the channel, absolutely. And we see that we are on a trade on gold, which is in fact heading in the direction. Also, we will be discussing on that as well. So first of all, I would like to start with Gbpusd, and then also we will be looking at other pairs as well, how they are doing. So Gbpusd, and we can see that this market, as we discussed in our yesterday's live session, and also we had an incredible trade on GJ yesterday in this live session, and expecting to have some more trade like that. And if we look at this instrument currently GJ, I think that it's gonna start a new uptrending market structure here, and with that new uptrending market we can expect Gbpusd to bounce back to the upside from that level. So I will be doing a complete multi-time frame analysis on GJ, and then we'll jump back to the gold to see how it is doing. Now if we look at first of all Gbpusd from the daily chart to see how the price is doing now, yesterday we have seen that on GJ there was a doji. Now this doji is absolutely important because based on the doji we see the market, it's trying to trend again to the major direction. If we look at this market from the weekly perspective on Gbpusd, we can see that there is a huge rejection from this weekly support level, and with that rejection the market has bounced back to the upside, and with that bounce we could see that GJ now might try to create a new higher high. It's a long-term bull market. Now looking at the monthly chart, we can see a different picture here from the monthly on Gbpusd, and we can see that from the monthly there is a, you can see this is a big bullish candle from the monthly, followed by this is a doji. So far in the first couple of weeks we saw that Gbpusd is just has come down, has gone up, almost equal revisit of the both sides of the market. So what kind of movement we can expect in this instrument at the moment? As you can see, it's a long-term bullish market, so always my bias will be to the upside from the important level. As you can see, anything can happen in trading, so you always need to speak from the place of probability. So looking at the weekly chart, it's almost today is Thursday, so tomorrow is Friday, so there is only 2 trading days remaining, and the way the market structure is being formed, we could see Gbpusd might be resuming its long-term uptrend. So looking at the daily chart, where is the real stuff we can see on the daily? Here is the previous day, there is a daily doji, which is a middleman. Today we saw once the market opened, from here the price started to create a potential bullish market structure. So let's look at the intraday here. Here is we see that Gbpusd there was a triangular pattern, and we have seen a very good amount of liquidity grab, and then has got a bounce. Now we had a trade, you guys have seen that yesterday. Now we could see further continuation of that same trend. And if I look at the 15-minute chart, here is a very important level of support on GJ, and we saw that the market has respected that level. After breaking this level with a long week candle, the market has reverted back from this level, which is a sign that GJ might be heading to the upside. And you guys ready for big day as with along with the GJ that we had yesterday. And as you can see, the market is highly volatile, which is good for us, because as a trader we always expect a high volatile market structure. So I will be looking at the 1 hour and lower time frame. On GJ we can see that from the lower time frame, from this support level, the market managed to bounce back to the upside. From the 15 minutes, it's trending. So let's draw a daily support level on Gbpsd. This is the daily support level in case the price coming down for a deeper manipulation. This is where we could find potential entry on GJ for this potential bounce. Now if I look at the 15-minute chart, here we see that you can see this is also the daily support, and this is a 15-minute bullish trend on Gbpsd from this order block. If you are not sure order block, you can let me know, I can discuss in depth. So it's trending. Now as a rule of thumb, what is going up is likely to go up. That's the law of trading. We will be discussing on that. We will be analyzing from that perspective on GJ to remain bullish. Now, if you guys are trading in any if you guys are trading any of the other instrument, you can let me know so that I know exactly which one you are looking at. We also will be looking at gold. I'm on a trade on gold, expecting for the price to give another massive winner today. Let's see how it goes, and I hope that everyone is here present for a big day. I see that Sunaju waiting for coach. Pui, thank you very much. Fizzy, Gondi, good morning. Kia, Kelly, Patrick, Masan, thank you. Good day, coach. Thank you very much. Pele, gold, yeah, we'll be looking at that. Good morning, coach. Yusuf, morning. Pui, gold, yep, yeah. So here we are gold. If I look at gold, here is I have opened a buy on gold, which is currently in my in a little bit of profit running on that. So if I look at so if you look at the gold trade that we have run, so we're on a buy on a gold, and so I'm bullish on gold. We have opened a trade here on gold early today, just before the live session. This is the trade that I have opened on gold, expecting it to form this inverted head and shoulder and then to have a bounce to the upside. So let me see what we can do in the trade, and then also I will be doing a complete multi-time frame analysis and also explaining why I have opened that buy on gold. So you see that gold in that area, we open buy on gold. The price currently in that level where we have open. I'm expecting for this price to have a rejection to the upside, as we see that this market currently, there was a sudden drop here, and the price currently consolidating in that area. What we could see either another deeper liquidity gap or a rejection. This is the 1 hour chart if we look at, and back to back 2 1 hour dojis in that area. So what I think that gold, you can see today once the market open, we have seen that initial drop to this level. As it is a bull market, my bias is still to the upside, waiting for a rejection. This is the 1 hour price action. We saw back to back 2 1 hour dojis here, and the market is a bit struggling to break in that direction. But once it is able to break, because if you look at the 1 hour chart, it's forming series of lower high, and if the market managed to break to the upside, we could see that gold boom going back to the resistance level again. So because here you can see here is a lot of buyers here, this is a buying zone here, so expecting it to revert back to the upside on gold. It might struggle a little bit here, but if the struggle is over, we might see that flow, because after the struggle normally the flow state comes. So if you can see, it's trying to form an inverted head and shoulder on gold. Now this is the trade that just I have opened before I come on live, and also I have posted on the VIP group before I coming on live, because any trade that I open I do share on the VIP Telegram channel. And at the moment what I'm expecting, gold to bounce back up to the resistance level, which we could eventually see. That's what I'm expecting. Currently I'm running in profit on the trade. Let's see how far it goes. And many of the members, guys, are you running with me from the VIP group? Let me know if you're running. And expecting for the price to revert back to the upside, and then to give us some profit on that. There is an inverted head and shoulder, and if the market respect this inverted head and shoulder, we might see at least a short-term change of trend, and that might lead that price to go back to this liquidity zone that I have drawn, which is the 2175. So this is a bullish trade that I have opened with 2-to-1 reward to risk. As you know that all my trade I put a very tight stop loss, so make sure, guys and girls, you do the proper risk management. And I'm running in good profit at the moment with the trade. I will be updating you once I am taking profit, or it's going up to hit my TP. So let's see how the price might be doing here. We see that bounce. Guys, let me know anyone from VIP running this trade. You can confirm me on the live chat so that I know that you are running with me. So let's see how far it is bouncing. This is where the real trading happens that I mentioned before. This is the Real Trading Academy, where you guys will be learning and growing as a trader. Make sure you look at the bigger picture, guys. Trading, you can be profitable in trading. Make sure that you keep faith and belief. I know that especially in the beginning, it becomes sometimes harder to believe that okay, Forex is possible to make a full-time income. Not only full-time income, guys, this is where you will be living the dream life, because trading, working for time doesn't work 9 to 5. Yeah, you are working, that's fine. I'm not recommending you to quit the job, but looking at bigger picture, always to look for big, because just being a trader, one can generate almost $1 million in a year. Okay, it's possible even more than that, because trading is diversified. Once you are a trader, once you are a profitable trader, you can trade in 10 accounts the same strategy, right? You can trade 10 accounts, same strategy, but only an hour in a day, 2 hours in a day, 3 hours in a day, 4 hours in a day. That's the beauty of being a profitable trader. Let me know if you dream on that. Always keep dreaming. Do you dream to be a consistently profitable trader? Let me know. I'm running good profit on that, so I'm expecting it to go a bit more upside so that I can take a good profit on this trade. I'm running in profit, so one more bounce, I'm expecting it to go back to this liquidity zone and then to take profit on this position. So the way the market has a rebirth from here, expecting it to go back to the resistance level again, because it's a bull market and the market has dropped to that support level. We might see that the price will try to revisit that resistance level. That's the logic behind the trade, and I would like to see that you guys are on that. Yeah, I'm trading gold. Thank you very much. Bye. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, I am on gold trade. Hassan Bhuta, welcome. Morning, riding with the trend gold. Thank you very much. CM, yep. Running in profit and on with trend. Yeah, awesome. Tura running 2 prop account with 0.25%. Welcome Tura. Emmanuel, GBP, AUD. Yep, we will be looking at that. Let's secure some profit on gold first, and then also we will be looking at GBP, GBP, USD later today coming up. Unemployment and PPI will be having an in-depth discussion, so don't miss out any piece of this live session. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would recommend you to just press that subscribe button, press that bell notification, so that you're not missing out any of the content that I am posting every single day. We saw that gold has formed that inverted head and shoulder, and after forming that inverted head and shoulder, the market managed to had a bounce from this level. So currently I'm running in good profit on that. So I would like to hold a bit more, because there could be a bounce, and that bounce might give us the full TP on that. And if I'm taking profit, I will be also updating the group. Okay, so here we see a long week candle. Let me see, we still can expect it to go further. Yes, I think that we might see a bit more upside further. Okay, so there is a 15 minutes 20 EMA retest, and with that 20 EMA retest, expecting it to go back up to that resistance level. Our TP at 2171.27. So one more bounce to the upside will give us that TP hit. Okay, so it's currently bullish in that area. So you want to see that it's going back up, grabbing all that liquidity, and also we are getting our liquidity profit hit. Let me see where the price is. I'm almost nearly more than 1% gain on that currently. This week, guys, in our academy, as you have seen, if you are a VIP member, you know that all the trade that you have open except one trade, all of them are winner. That's how the trading is. Once you are experienced, once you are growing as a trader, it becomes much easier for you to identify. This is the journal. Now you can see that journal current trade is still not counted here, which is running this week. The journal is all the trade winner, but only one trade, Gbpusd, did not work out, but the rest all of the trade are winner only. We have had one losing trade, all of them winner. Gold currently running a good profit. That one I will be putting it as running, though it is currently a winning trade. So let's keep trading that way. Now at the moment, here is what we see. I'm expecting for this one Let's see if we, because the market in a good profit, I will be giving a shout out what I'm doing, because I don't want to get the market to take me out. It's a good profit running. Let's first see if we see that further probability to go up, we'll be running or we'll close. But now at the moment it's still running. Still running the trade. Okay, still running the trade. So expecting it to revert back to this level here, which is a liquidity zone. Alright, so you see a probability for bouncing is high, so I'm still holding that buy trade on gold. And let me see what's happening. There is a candle close coming on the 15-minute chart. So there's a pullback, deeper pullback, and come on, I don't want to give it away. So this okay, so here is expecting it to remain bullish. Now this candle closing the 5 minutes, expecting it to close as a narrower doji, so that the next one is going up. It is very important that we take the profit. Okay, so you see that there is a candle closed on the 5 minutes. I don't want to give it away. What we have gained so far. Okay, so you see a bounce. Because it might come down for a deeper pullback. So almost come back to the entry again. Come on. Okay, this is what we need. Complete rejection, and then to give us that profit. Okay, so one more penetration to the upside can give us what we need in this move. Okay, so you see that bounce, and this is a big penetration. Are you guys running with me? I'm still holding, and this one now, if the price boom to the upside, we will be taking the full on that. Okay, so holding a trade is very important. This is what I tell you guys. Sometime you will see that the trade might come down to intimidate you, but you need to keep faith on the strategy so that you can take its full advantage of it. So at the moment, it's now trying to break to the upside, which I'm expecting, completing that inverted head and shoulder. It grabbed that liquidity from here again, and one more bounce is needed. Come on, what are you trying to do here? So you need to see that the price has managed to revert back from this level, which expecting, as this market has formed an inverted head and shoulder. This is a very important liquidity zone. You see in the past, this level acted here as a very strong liquidity zone, and expecting it to for the price to revert back to the upside and then to give us that full profit that we need. Now from the 5 minutes time frame, we want to see this one is closing as a narrow doji or as a bullish candle, so that the next one try to form another bullish momentum to the upside. So 40 seconds remaining for this candle to close. So I want to see that it's closing as a very narrow pin bar or as a doji. So that we have enough momentum for this price to bounce back to the upside. As expected, form as a narrow doji. Okay guys, so it's the price action in our favor. Okay, so we might see now a bit more upside expecting. Okay, so you see that it's bouncing up, and one more bounce is good for us, especially where we set our TP at 21.71.27 is where you can see this is a very high liquidity zone. Now here it might try to grab further liquidity. It's trying to grab further liquidity here. So you guys with me? Okay, we'll be waiting for the price to go back one more time to the upside. And I believe that you guys are enjoying the live session. I'm very focused on that so that we can secure that profit from this trade. And absolutely amazing. Thank you very much for. Okay, so here is it's trying to grab more liquidity from the support. We need to see that it has been able to retain, because it might try to grab more liquidity from here. So if you look at the 15 minutes chart, I will still be holding. I'm not taking profit any yet, still running in good profit, but I want to take a bit more full profit to the upside. Yeah, so expecting especially the 5 minutes. Yeah, we wanna see this kind of price action, um a green candle, okay, or a doji not being able to break that low. Then we might see the next one is again trying to revert back to the upside, which is what we need. This is what I'm expecting gold to go up, even because the price revert from this daily resistance. If we look at the daily resistance today, this is the daily resistance, and what I think that if the market managed to revert back, we might see again retesting the daily resistance. Now it is trying to fill that wick here. I'm still on it. Still on it. And this 5 minutes candle, 40 seconds remaining, expecting it to close within this support level. You see some kind of rejection, but expecting it to close within the support level, which is very essential for us to see that it's closing within the support. It's closed in that area, but now it's got a rejection from the top. Now here is the key to see how the price is reacting to that 20 EMA. Okay, so you can expect a reaction from the support level. Okay, so if the market reject from this level, from this 20 EMA, which we saw an impulse reject from this 20 EMA, then it is expected to go up, but there is another probability is for the deeper pullback to this level. I'm still holding in profit. Because there is a long wick here. Okay, so because there is a long wick here, it is possible for price to had to test this 20 EMA again when dropping down and then bouncing back up. So 15-minute chart here is forming a candle that has a very narrow body. So the next one This one even closing like that. Next one expecting it to go up and to revisit that resistance level. So holding it still, guys, with little profit running. Just trying to intimidating in that area. Would like to see how you guys are doing here. Thank you for joining the live session. 0.0 unload in gold. Morning. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely. I'm still holding, sir. Is there time? Please explain the Euro AUD swing trade strategy. Yeah, John Fu. Yeah, absolutely. We'll be going to that. First. Let's sort out this gold trade, what it is trying to do. Because if we need to close at entry or break even or taking some profit, we need to sort that out. First of all, I want to see that gold managed to remain within this level and giving us another bounce so that we can take a good profit on that. Blessing, thank you very much. Can I buy gold? So we are long on gold. How to find the direction of the date to trade on 15 minutes? Yeah, we will be discussing on that. This is the main goal here in this academy, to help trader to learn to find the direction of the market so that they can learn and grow. So stick to the channel, guys. Everything here is to help traders so that they can learn and grow as a trader. So here is before this candle close from the 20 EMA. From the 20 EMA we saw a rejection to this level. Okay, so expecting, you see this market here. This is now in a manipulation. I would like to see how 15 minutes closed and I expected it to close above, but let's see what it is planning, what the market is planning from here. Okay, so yeah, the candle closed, and now it's very important to see is either it might try to test this bottom of this level, bounce, and it might even form a very long wick candle here and then could reverse back, which is I'm expecting. I still think the price it might come back to this level here, to this support, so which is almost hitting that, and so it's almost hitting that support level. So a breakout, now it's in a retest, and if the retest fail, then expecting it to bounce back up to that resistance level again. So this is how trading is, guys. You have to be patient with the trade and everything so that you are not, you know, getting out of the control of the emotion and everything. So here is, okay, so this is the 30 minutes. How far? Look at the 1 hour. It's again so after breaking, so the price a little bit of struggling to break the high, but still this is the 1 hour candle. As you can see, it's getting rejection from here. If this 1 hour candle is closing in that area, yes, we still can expect for the price to go up again, because if you look at from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this is the 8-hour candle. Okay, so a red candle, 2 3 4 5 6 7, this is the 8th candle of the 1 hour. You can see it's now trying to revert back, and this was a pure liquidity grab, and we can see the market now trying to form another doji. So this is the 8-hour candle. We see a long wick rejection from here. Now at this point we see the price is bouncing. Now if I didn't enter, then I would enter from here now at the moment, but because we are on a trade, so will not be doubling up position. So this one created another potential setup here. You can see it's got a rejection, but still make sure guys you do the proper risk management. Candle has not closed yet on the 5 minutes. It is still can come back down again for another liquidity grab. So looking at the 1 hour chart, we can see that this is the 1 hour candle. From here it's trying to revert back, so we might see that this price may go back up to that resistance level again. So this is the 5 minutes candle, a very long wick candle, and if it isn't hungry enough for further liquidity, we can expect now this one to start another bounce to the upside. That's what I'm expecting in this trade. Eurusd, why you are shaking the screen so much? Okay, so you guys think that I'm shaking the screen, or is being shaked? Is that right? Sir, you are live trade every day? Yes, I do live trading every single day. Also, I do share my trade in the VIP community. If you guys are interested to join our mentorship program, where you can see all my trade with entry, stop loss and take profit, along with you can access all the education that I'm offering courses, you can join today. We have few spots left. The joining link you can find below the video in the description. You can access that, all the material and everything. You can find the link below this video in the description. So let's see what's happening here. Call it. Okay, thank you for that. Yeah, sometime I a bit more I do a bit more shake the screen because I need to zoom in out, but definitely you guys let me know if you find it hard. I'll keep it stable as much as I can. I need your opinion on USDT crypto. Solana biggest 2 3. Okay, so here is what's it is trying to do here. I'm running in profit again. So interesting. We need to see that the market being able to bounce from this level. Okay, the 15 minutes is you can see the chances for another bounce is high that I am expecting, which is needed for us to give us this profit. And if the market preparing for a reversal, then we might see the market bouncing up and going back to that resistance level that I am expecting. But anything can happen in trading, so make sure that you always stay managed and do always the proper risk management. Now here is this doji. Still there is a little bit of imbalance here. It might try to fill that imbalance. Okay, here is the doji and the liquidity. Again, the market is trying to revert back. So from here we saw this is the inverted head and shoulder break to the upside, and now it is trying to retest that support level again. Might try to break this high, even low. One hour candle closing in 6 minutes. Now this 1 hour candle close is absolutely important. This is where everything will make a big difference from the 1 hour, because if this 1 hour candle is not being able to break the low, which I'm expecting, then the next candle can be expected to bounce back up. But if this 1 hour is breaking down, then we might see further continuation to the downside. So in the last 5 minutes, expecting this 1 hour candle not being able to break, instead to revert back to the upside. As you saw that there was so much huge selling pressure has come early, we can expect a sound pullback. So if the market reverse from here, so taking Fibonacci from the 1 hour price action, so if we take the Fibonacci from high to the low, so the pullback we can expect at 38.2%, 50%, even the 61.8%. So our TP is almost nearly to 38.2%. So far so good. The bulls are not being able to break the low. It's trying to reject. Now another 5 minutes candle. Okay, here is the most important part to look at. As I mentioned, this is the gold 1 hour chart, waiting for this 1 hour candle either to close like this as a doji or close as a green candle. So if it is closing as a green candle, that's where we might find potential reversal to the upside. If not being closed as a green candle, then still probability to drop further. So you see some kind of rejection trying to come up. This 5 minutes candle is absolutely important. Okay, so it might try to break here and then go up, or from here go up. Hope that makes sense, guys. Thank you very much. So are you live every day? Yeah, I'm live on every day, every single day, twice, not only once, during the London session and New York session. What you saw on GJ, yeah, we see GJ we begins. I'll go back to that again on Gbpusd. He said, do you check crypto? Yeah, sometime. It's not okay. It's not shaky. Okay, thank you very much. I need your opinion on. Okay, we'll be looking at that. It's fine. Just waiting for the nation session to open. It's okay, coach. Thank you. What time frame is the best to check the imbalance of price? All time frame. To check imbalance, you can check in all time frame, because imbalance happen in all time frame depending on your trading time frame. So if you are trading like your entry time frame, so you need to basically check for imbalance on your entry time frame. So if your entry time frame is 5 minutes, you can look at the 5 minutes. If your entry time frame is 15 minutes, you can look at that. 4 hour, 1 hour, any time frame that you are trading. So it's basically on the entry time frame. XNGUSD. Yeah, we'll be looking to that as well. Yen would drop hard. Okay, now 1 hour closing in 3 minutes. So far we see the bulls trying to form that doji that we are talking about. So I want to see that this one is closing as a green candle. So in the last moment we could see a bounce back up, which we see that trying to, okay, we see bouncing to the upside. I'm running again in profit. Want to keep that trade hold, guys. You are holding it for bigger profit. I was tolerating that drop to the entry again, and now it's bouncing back, expecting it to revert back to the upside. So it formed a very textbook inverted head and shoulder at the moment. Okay, now expecting it, so it grabbed enough liquidity. That's what we talk about. If you guys remember, this is what I was talking about, that price might drop to that and revert back. So it did that as expected according to the plan. Now we need to see it has broken that swing high and has given that profit. So that means if it managed to create that inverted head and shoulder as a valid one, okay, so we can expect a trend in that direction in the upcoming session, on New York session, or at least a full London session, and that might bring that price to go back to that liquidity zone. So we see now reward coming, guys. This is the reward of being patient. All right, so you want to take big profit on that. This is the reward of being patient. Now, as I mentioned before, okay, this is the secret of being a trader, is to be patient. All right, now pushing high. Okay, so this is what we need. My profit going up. I believe that you guys also getting that same profit. Now expecting it to create a new higher high. So it grabbed that enough liquidity. Okay, so expecting it to go back up to this level. All right, so 15 minutes, a long week candle. Come on, no more liquidity grab. Gold, go up. Enough, isn't it? It's ridiculous. Still trying to grab further liquidity. And finally, I need to take profit, or so how did the 1 hour candle closed here? So 1 hour closed with a bullish candle. Okay, so here is the bullish candle as expected. The 1 hour candle closed as a bull candle. So that bull candle is a deceleration from this level. So now, I will be holding the trade. I believe that we might see that reaction to the upside, but it might grab, it might drop for deeper liquidity, which we could see, but I will be holding the trade as it made quite a few false attempt to the downside. So the sellers are a bit tired in that market at the moment, though they are still not eliminated, but a bit tired. So expecting it to at least a short-term breakout, right? So you want to see, because you holding this trade, I want a bigger reward on that trade. Please, coach, can you briefly show and explain briefly on volume imbalance? Yes, we will be discussing on that. So basically, imbalance is in terms of price, in terms of, so which probably you know as a fair value gap. And when you look at the imbalance, you know that when the market breaks out, it's gonna go to fill that imbalance, which is a big deal here. Now, thanks for suggesting me last time to search about. Come on, you know why I can't find this option to delete. Okay, so here is all right. So far we are running good profit on that. Okay, so there is a narrow candle here. Okay, so here is the 15-minute chart from the 1 hour. Look, if you look at the 1 hour chart, you see this is a bullish move, right? And in this whole direct drop, there is only one bullish candle on gold from the 1 hour. And because this is a rejection from the support, expecting for the price to go up and to create a new higher high, unless the big boys want to fill that imbalance here. Okay, again the price on the support level. This is a very weird price action at the moment. Let's keep that holding. It's now going up again. That's where consolidation. Okay, now this pattern in that zone, for me bulls are a bit in dominant. You see the bullish engulfer, followed by the prices cross that low with a long bullish engulfer. Now this one is, I would like to see a very narrow weaker red candle, so that the next one, boom, breaking to the upside. Okay, so are you guys with me? Thank you for joining the live session. I appreciate your support to the channel, guys. And I would also appreciate if you give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can go to the channel. There's a lot of content that I posted every single day that will help you to grow as a trader. So you can look at that channel, go to the playlist where you can find all the lessons about trading psychology, about technical analysis, about the strategies, and everything that you need to become a consistently profitable trader. Let me see here. So you're on that, on gold, and waiting for a breakout from the 1 hour chart on gold. Yeah, so if it managed to bounce, expecting it to go up further to create a new higher high on gold. And if we take the Fibonacci again from high to the low to see what level that the minimum Fibonacci is at, this level, which is a 38.2% Fibonacci. Our TP target is nearly there. So the 15 minutes price action is so far to me potentially bullish. Okay, so this is the minimum Fibonacci level at 2171.11, and above this level you see there is a, this is the 5-minute chart, there's a weakless candle, a green candle, there are back-to-back 2 weakless candle. This is a liquidity zone, so you could see a gap opening on MT4 on that. So that liquidity zone is highly important for the price to go up and retest. So if the market managed to bounce, and we could see that the price retesting that liquidity zone, and that's why I placed my TP around that zone, which we could see breaking and hitting that profit target. At the moment, so a bit more choppy here. Don't know what the market is planning. Before the news, you might see that it's remaining like that until the news. This is a bit more expected. Let me see. It's a very narrow range here. So if we look at 30 minutes, there's a doji after this move. We'll be waiting for this candle to close on the 15 minutes and 1 hour price action. Because you see there is a long wick doji, there is another candle, so the price might finding it a bit harder to break that high. But once it will be able to break that high, we could see boom, a flight to the upside. This is what I'm waiting. So you see some appreciation to the upside in that area. Okay, so while gold is just roaming in that area, in the meantime I would like to see that dollar GBP JPY and dollar yen. So GBP/JPY is just bouncing in that area, which is, we see that highly bullish GJ, and from that zone you can see the price is just crashing to the upside with this move on GJ. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the session, always looking at bigger picture is key when you are trading. Okay, so if you look at the higher time frame on GBP/JPY, you can see that it's a long-term bullish market. Okay, so if you look at here, it's a big bull, there's a long wick at the top, and from that bullish move, GJ has previous session has formed a middleman, which is a bullish price action, and expecting GJ to remain bullish. As you can see on the lower time frame, the price action showing a series of higher high and higher low. So GBP/JPY is bullish at the moment on the lower time frame. For our entry, what we need is for the price to break. Okay, so to break to any of this liquidity zone or the support level that we have drawn on GJ. I'm waiting for that to happen, and once we see that, we will be looking for that entry opportunity on GBP/JPY. So far from the 1 hour, it's very strongly bullish. From 4 hour also there is a bullish middleman. We could see the price is trying to grab more liquidity, because it is currently, you can see that it's a, from the 5 minutes, a very well defined bullish market structure. Guys, as I mentioned before, there are 3 secrets in the market one must master to understand the technical aspect of trading: is the market structure, liquidity, and price action. So from the market structure, if you look at my trading decision, that 70% of my trading decision comes from the market structure. So if we look at GJ here, it's a very strongly bullish market structure, waiting for the price to give me that confirmation. Now with that on gold, we are still running in little profit, and just moving around. It's really annoying, the price is not trying to break yet. So you saw candle closed. Come on, it's annoying here. 1 hour. Where's the 4 hour price action? Okay, so the 4 hour candle closed is not very amazingly bullish. We see that here. So there is a long wick at the bottom. We might see that wick fill on the 4 hour. The symptom for gold now showing breakdown. Okay, so this gold trade, we might need to exit at some point because we saw that 4 hour candle close with a long wick at the bottom. Now it might retest this and try to bounce back up, or it might just try to fill that long wick. So we saw that the market turn around, which happens all the time. So it has come down for this imbalance. Now it already dropped well below this liquidity zone. Still a long time for this candle to go. So I'm gonna hold it still. Okay. So it was moved to a good profit. Now it's it tested the 20 EMA. Now from here whether we will see now rejection or continuation. So let's let it happen. So this is a big drop. It has broken now it has grabbed all the liquidity. Now if the price wants to reverse, then we should see that from here it's getting at some rejection. Okay, so there's a big long wick candle because it grabbed that massive liquidity at the moment. So if the market if the market wants to reverse, then we'll see that reverse from here. I'm almost nearly at my entry, getting in the profit zone. Now this time if the price managed to break out, I will be taking the profit because it did enough liquidity grab. Okay, so I'm in profit now. I want to see that the market has gone well above so that I can take that profit. This is a very interesting price action here. So like to see some good profit. Okay, I'll give you a shout out if I'm taking profit because it's not behaving very nicely. So let me see where we can take profit on that. This is the 15 minutes in rejection. Come on. Now this is this price action. Currently we saw it's now manipulating both sides on the support and on the resistance. So I wouldn't delay much. Once the price will reach in the profit zone, I might be exiting. because it's very manipulative at the moment. Okay, so it's going up again. It might try to go up further now for deeper liquidity gap, and so it's all about manipulation. It's happened all the time. Right, guys, so let's see. This 5 minutes candle on gold is as absolutely important, because based on that candle we'll know exactly what's gonna happen in the next. Okay, because there is a big drop here, and if this one is showing a very strong bullish, we can expect one more candle to the upside. That's absolutely good for us. So because I want to close some profit on this trade. Why the sellers? 15 minutes, and here is, it's a very interesting price action at the moment. So here candle closed, and okay, so last moment wanna see some improvement to the upside. Okay, so we want to see that we fill to the upside. Holding a trade is very important, so we see that sometimes this is a very, very weird price action. You will see that in the market, especially on gold, is very very interesting sometime. And let's see how much we feel it is doing to the upside, because I don't want to close in minus, I want to close in plus. So it's almost nearly in my entry. I want to see one bounce will give me that profit. Okay, so entering into the profit zone. I think if it bounce where we might see this market just keep pushing high again, it bounce. Okay, so we see some kind of bounce coming up. Also, we'll be looking at Gbpusd to see how we can trade. Let's make sure that you don't miss out anything. Okay, now here is 15 minutes. You can see this is a doji. Previous candle also a liquidity candle. This one also becoming a liquidity candle. And if this one is closing like that, that means that on the 15 minutes we saw long wick There is a liquidity candle, there's another one is here. Now the closing of this candle is absolutely important, because if it is not closing as a long wick candle, then less chance for the price to go up. At the moment, 2 more minutes to go. Okay, so look at the 4 hour. Yeah, I'm still holding, guys, for bigger profit. Patience is key. That's where I'm just now stuck, because if it get rejected, I don't want to see that it's getting rejected. Instead, we can expect, I really want to see that this 15 minutes closing as a bullish candle, not as a red candle, but as a green candle, either here somewhere, or even breaking that high. That will be starting up a move. But if it is not closing as a green candle, or at least as a doji, so that might bring that price again to the downside. But you know, one minute for this candle to close, if the bulls are able to hold that price for just for a minute like that, that's a good sign that gold might be reversing from here. Even it could just push up to this resistance level. So waiting that to happen. We see some pickup coming from the support level. Are you guys with me? If you are with me, give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing out. Thank you for joining the live session. Really appreciate your support to the channel. We see some bounce on that. Okay, so here is we saw that bullish pin bar. Okay, so the market grabs enough liquidity. I will be holding the trade still for this full profit, because what I think that, yeah, it's formed that pin bar that I discussed on the 15 minutes with multiple liquidity grab. Now it's market's job is to break that. Two 30 minutes long wick candles. Okay, so that's what happened. 15 minutes pin bar. I'm holding it. No more liquidity. No more. Just a straight go up, right? We need to tell the gold to do that. We see that the market is now bouncing back up. All right, so let's let it go. Push it up. All right, so we see that boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Right, we see that. Oh, yeah. Cool. I'm running almost more than 1% at the moment. Okay, that's what we need. I'm holding it now for full profit. Are you guys enjoying? Let me know in the live chat if you're enjoying. So now pushing high. This is the fruits of being patient. That's what I tell you guys, that You have to be patient in your trade. There is always a reward on the other side of being patient. And yesterday one of you said that the money goes to those patients. Yes, absolutely. Money goes to those who are patient and who knows how to multiply. Now I am almost nearly to my TP target. This is a gold trade. Also, the live trade I have sent out to the VIP Telegram channel for the members who are trading with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is the consecutive 4th trade in a row on this live session, along with many other trades in profit. We are running in profit. So let's keep that. Right. So I am now nearly there. So it's almost 22 pip on gold, which is in percent more than 2% because I 2% on that. So let's keep it up, going up. All right, hitting the TP. It's there, hitting the TP. Are you guys there with me? Boom, almost there, almost there. Okay, hit my TP. I'm closed by TP hit. Smash the like button now. We got a big one, eh? That's what trading is, guys. We got it. Are you guys with me? Got the profit? Let me know, confirm me, because many of you are following my account. I know that in the copy trading group, you should have seen now profit in your account. Thank you. Your USD, thank you very much. Yeah, we got it. Hi coach, what do you think about GJ? Please, yeah, absolutely. I'm leaving with you. Thank you very much. Yes, profitable. GJ has formed. Let's see the head. I can hear you, coach. Thank you very much. Yeah, we got another big one on gold. I would appreciate your support, guys. Giving a thumbs up is appreciated much, and we see that gold is heading now to the upside. I'll really appreciate your support by giving a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I am posting every single day. In addition to that, if you want to learn the strategy that I am trading every single day, we have only few spots left to join our mentorship program. You can find link below this video in the description. This is almost ended the places. You can take few spots left, visit the website, and you can join that with a discounted price currently. And the gold, now you can see that I have closed with profit. Let me know, guys, if you are with me. Yes, thank you very much. Great. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, well done, coach. This one, but nice trade. Yes, awesome. Thank you very much. Yeah, that one is a nice one. Yeah, absolutely. And in the meantime, guys, always use risk management, always use trading plan to trade the market. Risk management is key, as I have shown you now in this live session back to back. You know, in the VIP members also knows in our academy, we are now bringing out journal. This is a winner in front of you. You have seen that. So which is around 35 pip, which is in my account around 2%, more than 2%, 2.5%. So we gain this week all those trade that we have opened: GBP, JPY, GBP, UD. The first one, the other one is running, and GBP. So one trade, that one didn't work out, but all of them we secured profit, and that's the gain for that. And let's keep that on for this whole week and every single day, and becoming consistently profitable is here the reality. The truth is that when you have the right mindset, right education, right guidance, everyone, either you are working as a day laborer or as an engineer or a doctor or even doing a PhD, everyone has the ability to become a consistently profitable trader. The only thing that you need is the right mindset, proper strategy, and guidance from the right source. You see, I haven't got that guidance when I begin my trading. That's why this academy is created, Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Well, you'll become the real trading wizard when you are here. So make sure you stick to the channel, be part of, and always do the risk management is key, because today this one, yesterday we had a profitable trade, but there could be a trade did not work out, so that you guys are not blowing out with one trade, but looking at always a bigger picture is the key to be profitable as a trader. So thank you for that, and I would really appreciate the support that you guys are giving in the channel. Absolutely. Thank you for all that you are giving, and all the likes and subscription to the channel. Let's see how we can go in the upcoming future for trading together. And yeah, let's make it happen. And let me know how you go today, guys. Let me see. Got it. Thank you very much. Yes, awesome. Dollar yen, that was superb trade. Thank you. Got it. Thank you very much. Yep, took a lot of patience. Yep, start selling now. Thank you. Yeah, it took a lot of patience. Yeah, that's how trading is, guys. You have to be patient. Okay, so patience is the key to be profitable as a trader. There is no other things rather than the patience. So before I go, guys, there's a free trading plan available for you to join. You can find to download. You can find in the description. You can rewrite it for yourself, the trading plan, so that you can trade based on plan. You can find in the description area that link of that trading plan. And thank you for that. I'll see you guys again coming on live in the next session. In the meantime, any trade coming along the way, definitely I'll be sharing in the group, so that you guys can also access all of them. With that said, I'll see you very soon trading live again. I'm coming in just a matter of maybe 2 hours 20 minutes. Again, I will be coming on NY session live. We'll be trading again, trading live PPI. So stay there, stay tuned, take a break, drink a tea or coffee or water. Get ready for a big spike coming up. Thank you, and I'll see you there again.